If your watch has suddenly started running 5, 10, even 15 minutes fast, and you haven't had it serviced, there's a very good chance it's been magnetized. And the good news is, you can fix it at home in under 2 minutes without spending a cent on a watchmaker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose whether magnetization is actually your problem, using nothing but a compass, and then how to safely demagnetize your watch using a tool that costs less than $5. I'm also going to show you the one mistake most people make when using these cheap demagnetizers that can actually make the problem worse. If your watch keeps running fast after this fix, I'll tell you what that actually means, because magnetization isn't always the culprit, and there's a quick way to tell. Okay, here we have your everyday garden variety compass. Legit compass. Here I have a magnet. As you can see, it reacts immediately. So I'll put the magnet way off to the side and get it out of our way. Now, if you bring a watch close to the compass that is not magnetized, there's no reaction. You see? Nothing. However, if you bring a watch close to the compass that is magnetized, you can start seeing a reaction. It's not going to be as much as the magnet itself, but you're still going to see something. Now I can be certain that this watch has become magnetized. Okay, so let's fix the problem. Introducing cheap demagnetizer from China. Pick these up on AliExpress, Amazon, $5 to $10, depending on where you are. Now, first of all, let me address the mistake that most people make with these. They assume that they can just lay the piece down, push the button, and you're good to go. No. Let me show you. Okay? The way to do this properly is you push the button down, put the piece on, and slowly raise the piece off of the demagnetizer. Very simple. So simple, most people get it wrong. Let's do it again. It's not going to hurt anything to do it again. Now let's check against our compass. Much, much better. And now let's double check and see how well it's running. You saw at the end there, it was almost 27 seconds per day plus. There's no chance that should be quite accurate for just about any reason. So there you go. Other than a little bit of echo from inside the case itself, I haven't done anything other than demagnetize it. Now, if this didn't fix it, what might be the fix? Could be many things at that point. You could have a dirty movement. There could be debris in there from somewhere. It could be rusty, maybe from some moisture. You could have a worn mainspring or just a straight up regulation issue. Before you go rush out and, go to a watchmaker for something this simple, maybe just for argument's sake, spend $5 and have a look for yourself. Maybe that fixes the issue. Please subscribe, like the video, and next week I'll show you another reason your automatic watch might be losing time, and it's also something you can fix yourself. Cheers, everybody.